Every childhood adventure begins with confidence, freedom, and excitement. Finding the best kids bike for ages 2 to 12 years can create unforgettable memories while encouraging outdoor play and active fun. A well-chosen bicycle brings smiles, independence, and a sense of achievement that children cherish. In this video, discover a bike that can inspire young riders and make every journey feel special. Number 1. Joystar Kids Bike for ages 2 to 12 years boys girls. Designed for kids. 1. This kids bike comes with stable training wheel early rider. 2. Quick release seat simplify the height adjustment. 3. Saddle with holder to learn riding when the training wheel is off. 4. Foot brake suitable for young rider don't have enough power to manipulate the hand brake. Minimum maintenance, made of premium steel to survive the bumps of learning. The durable steel frame is backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The bike comes with black tire and single speed, only little maintenance needed due to the simple design, DIY decal and safe chain guard. Your child will get a DIY decal. They could make a unique bike with the decal by sticking their name on the frame or chain guard. The chain guard well protects the chain. It will last longer than other bikes. Your child will not get hurt when try to touch the chain. Easy to install. The children bike comes with 85% pre-assembled body and the basic assembly tools. Only pump needed for tire. Normally takes a novice about 20 minutes to assemble it. If you have problem about assembly or the bike, please contact us. Recommended size chart -12 inches bike for 2-4 years, 33-41. Toddler, 14 inches bike for 3-5 years, 35-47. Child, 16 inches bike for 4-7 years, 41-53. Boys and girls, 18 inches bike for 5-9 years, 43-59. Boys and girls. Note, child height may vary even at the same age. Please take the height into consideration. Number 2. BMX style 12-14-16 inch kids bike training wheels 20' bicycle. Intended for kids, our BMX style toddlers bike caters specifically to novice riders embarking on their cycling journey. It features safety training wheels for balance, while the 20-inch bicycle only has a kickstand, along with an adjustable seat to accommodate your child's development. Superior quality, crafted from high carbon steel, the bike frame is designed to withstand the rigors of uneven terrain without bending or breaking, offering essential safety for your child's adventures. Its robust construction and straightforward design ensure minimal maintenance needs. Safety and sturdiness, the trusty coaster brake is perfect for toddlers who might not have the muscle power for hand brakes yet. The full chain guard keeps little fingers safe from getting caught in the chain. And those big 12x2.4 inch tires give a great grip to stop any slipping while they're riding. Easy installation. The bike arrives with 85% of the assembly already completed, accompanied by essential assembly tools. By following our installation guide video and instructions, you will only need to attach a few components, which should take roughly 20 minutes to finish the final assembly process. Ensure proper fit. The 12-inch bike fits children 32 to 38 inches tall, aged 1 to 4 years. The 14 inches ideal for kids 35 to 43 inches, aged 3 to 5 years. The 16-inch bike is designed for children 40 to 51 inches tall, suitable for ages 4 to 8 years. The 20-inch fits big kids 48 to 60 inches tall, aged over 8 years. Number 3. Kino 1220 kids bike with number plate. Designed for kids. 1. This kids bike comes with stable training wheel early rider. 2. Quick release seat simplify the height adjustment. 3. Saddle with holder to learn riding when the training wheel is off. 4. Foot brake suitable for young rider don't have enough power to manipulate the hand brake. Minimum maintenance, made of premium steel to survive the bumps of learning. The durable steel frame is backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The bike comes with black tire and single speed, only little maintenance needed due to the simple design, DIY decal and safe chain guard. Your child will get a DIY decal. They could make a unique bike with the decal by sticking their name on the frame or chain guard. The chain guard well protects the chain. It will last longer than other bikes. Your child will not get hurt when try to touch the chain. Easy to install. The children bike comes with 85% pre-assembled body and the basic assembly tools. Only pump needed for tire. Normally takes a novice about 20 minutes to assemble it. If you have problem about assembly or the bike, please contact us. Recommended size chart -12 inches bike for 2-4 years, 33-41. Toddler, 14 inches bike for 3-5 years, 35-47. Child, 16 inches bike for 4-7 years, 41-53. Boys and girls, 20 inches bike for 6-10 years, 45-61. Boys and girls. Note, child height may vary even at the same age. Please take the height into consideration. Number 4. Joystar Whizz 1220 Kids Bike. Designed for kids. 14-inch bike for 3-4 years. This bike features a lightweight frame, forward-positioned cranks and pedals. The narrower pedal positions, smaller grips, and compact seat ensure a comfortable and controlled riding experience for early rider. Built to last. Sturdy high-end steel frame and fork provide awesome impact resistance when riding over rocky and bumpy terrain. Trailing edge tires provide good traction in wet and dry conditions, easily survive the multiple bumps of learning balance. Safety riding. Coaster brake and handbrake offer double safer. This kid's bike will have more stopping power, and the wheels wrapped in rubber off-road tires for outstanding grip and stability in any weather conditions. Comes with full chain guard. Grow with kids, equipped with removable training wheels, height adjustable saddle and handlebar. This kid's bicycle can meet the needs of your child at different stages and grow with them. As your kids grow in confidence, they can move to the next challenge. Easy to assemble. The kid's bike comes with 85% assembled and the basic assembly tools included, and also limited lifetime warranty. Assembly was straightforward and normally it takes 30 minutes for a fresh hand to install the bike. Number 5. Twin Hope Kids Bike with Headlight, 12-20-inch pedal bike. Kids Bike Size Guide. Choose the right Twin Hope children's bicycle by matching your child's stats. 12-inch, 24Y/0, 33-39-inch height, 14-inch, 35Y/0, 35-47-inch, 16-inch, 47Y/0, 41-53-inch, 18-inch, 59Y/0, 43-59-inch, or 20-inch, 612Y/0, 48-62-inch. The adjustable seat lets the bike grow with your little rider. No need to replace it as they get taller. Ready for all outdoor riding. Ride worry-free in light rain or dusty paths. The fenders block mud splashes to keep clothes clean. No more dirty pants after park trips. The built-in headlight lights up evening neighborhood rides, so your kid stays visible when the sun dips. Perfect for post-dinner adventures with friends. Safety design. The bike for boys and girl with dual brake system, coaster and hand brakes, lets kids stop smoothly, even if they're still learning coordination. The enclosed chain guard covers moving parts, preventing loose pant legs or fingers from getting caught, so you can relax while they explore. Drink ready and minimal assembly. This children's bicycle comes with a built-in water bottle holder and a water bottle included. Better yet, it ships 95% pre-assembled, so you can have it ready for your kid in just 10-15 minutes. Warning: the left pedal installs counterclockwise while the right one clockwise. Go anywhere and gift anytime. This bike shines for all outdoor fun, such as neighborhood cruises, park playdates, or casual family rides. Sturdy, colorful, and packed with kid-friendly features, it's the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. Put a smile on any 12-year-old's face. Works for both boys and girls. Beginners,